today or die.
Welcome on my YouTube channel, or on our YouTube channel, better to say. So, dear friends, just now, a few days ago, arrived these, I must say, legendary Supraphon, or we can say Tesla speaker boxes, but on the labels are Supraphon RK10, but equipped with Tesla speakers. And this is the next case when I must buy. Why? Because I think that I don't have video here on my YouTube channel with these speaker boxes. Yes, I had, but the video was deleted regarding the copyright on the music. So why I must buy them, I will explain it within few seconds, because at first I would like to thank you everybody for watching our videos, and if you would like to support our channel, you can also join our channel. So because they are equipped with professional full range oval speakers, Tesla ARE 667. ARO are the round, and ARE are the oval. And these are really professional full range speakers, which were mounted originally, for example, in the legendary cinema speaker boxes. The types of cinema Tesla speaker boxes begins usually AKR, and for example, there were 3 or 6 pieces in the legendary type AKR 153. There was 3 pieces of these incredible good full range speakers as a mid-range, or they were mounted also in the ARS 631 with vacuum tube amplifier. They were used also in the Czech Opera Hall. Incredible full range speakers, full range, but if they are mounted in huge enclosure, they are sounding also from the bottom, also the bass. These speaker boxes were produced in 70s up to from early 70s, from the year 1970 up to beginning of the 80s, if I say it correctly, 1983, 1984-5. But at the beginning, there were mounted such a AR E667 with white or light gray paint, and then from 1970 up to 73, and then from the 73 later they were mounted with blue paint. So I will open them and we'll see from which year it's when it was produced. And usually, but I don't have it in my head, there are 2 letters, and this is the Tesla production code. Here is RB, if I read it correctly. It's printed with violet paint, and from these letters you can find the exact month and year of production, but I have it in my computer, or you can find it on my website Angelicaaudio CZ. If you click on the Tesla TVM, there is also this list of alphabetical codes. And as a tweeters, this ARV261, also very interesting tweeters. I must say I prefer more the smaller ones, ARV161, but these are also not bad. Originally mounted, for example, in the legendary Supraphon RK60. They were so huge and so good sounding Supraphon speaker boxes, which were delivered originally in the set Studio One. They were produced as a set, only 100 pieces and of sets, and for export. So usually or the front plate with textile, is this front grill or textile grill, is not dismountable. It is sealed, but when I touch here, I feel that it's not sealed. Normally, you must go inside to dismount these screws from the backside, and this wire should not be here. As you can see, they are flat, so in German FLACHBOX, and it can be used in your living room, for example, if you don't have enough space there. But the sound is not bad, but I must say the enclosure is too small for such a huge full range speaker, because I had here about maybe 30 years ago do-it-yourself speaker boxes, and when I huge, and when I connected them to an amplifier, the sound was incredible, and I cannot say which bass speakers are inside, and I have opened them and I found exactly this type with one tweeter, and the sound was huge. They had inner volume about 60 liters, and the sound was pretty nice. Here I have connected this right box only now, because the wires are too short. You can see about 3-4 centimeters, and here it was possible, there it will be a little difficult, and when I put down or put in the front this front plate, it must go also with the cable. So now it's connected only this one. Let's try some bass track. So only one mono. So what do you think about the sound? Write me in comments, and let's put it down. I don't know what's inside. I've tried it on only so. So yes, I see here some glue. Oh, so dear friends, this is really totally dirty inside, and as I told before, they are the same type like this one. So this is they were produced between the year 1970 up to 73. This is reality. So I will not clean it. I will take the camera and I will make a detailed footage. As we can see, yeah, very small electronic inside, as a crossover with the Tesla letter. I must say, I love such a speakers, and I love to open it and to watch what's inside. There's dust. So I will make detailed footage just now.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down.
So, dear friends, how do you like it? Write me in comments. And regarding the power, because by old Tesla or by old speakers, the power which is pressed or printed on the labels of old speakers from 60s, 70s, it's a real number. So 5 watts only, 5 watts, and these speakers are really enough for your living room. 5 watts. Nowadays, when it will be produced anywhere in the Far East, there will be not 5 but at least 150, we can say. So dear friends, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos and if you would like to support our channel, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.